heard about all these layoffs going on in tech, but I want to put that into context. Well, I want to acknowledge that layoffs are happening in tech, and yes, they're painful. I also heard that VCs are pulling out of funding in tech like crazy, which is kind of true. You can see that we're still above 2020 numbers for VC money in tech. Here's the thing, the unemployment numbers aren't reflected in the broader economy. You can see our total unemployment is still at a record low. The economy's doing fine, tech is just not doing well right now. And if you measure the broader economy, we're still doing really well, which I want to acknowledge that measuring the stock market as an indice of how well things are going is not always a great way to go. So what does this mean? Well, honestly, I don't really know. I think what this shows is tech is panicking. It seems to be like a self-reinforcing cycle. Like companies are doing layoffs because VCs are doing pullbacks on funding, and VCs are doing pullbacks on funding because companies are doing layoffs. It's clear the rest of the market is just ignoring these trends in tech. It's probably true to say if you work in a startup, you're going to have a rough year. But if you get laid off, there's lots of companies not in tech that are hiring, and they're hiring so hard it's causing inflation right now. Who knows? I'm not an economist. I don't know. I'm just a developer just taking a look at the trends.